We can compare styles all day. This is a made in Asia Doc Marten boot, and this is a vintage made in England Doc Marten boot. There are good things and bad things about both of these shoes, and we can go on for days about it. So go ahead and add in the comments which shoes you would like me to compare. We can talk about fashion, we can talk about durability, we can talk about comfort. With these, the less dense sole on here is able to be instantly more comfortable. It's way lighter even than this 101. But as you see here, it is a way denser sole. You can barely even see through it. The leather on here, this Classico new leather, is pretty much great from the start, where this shoe that's 25 years old, it's still kind of being broken in. So pros and cons to both. It depends on what I want to wear, what I want to feel. I think that they're both stylish depending on what I'm wearing. I believe that the way that I use shoes, they both last me about the same amount of time, if not the same time. So how does it align? How does the value align with the benefit for you? Is it an emotional value? Is it a functional value? They also make Doc Martens that are industrial grade for workers. I think that's a great alternative for somebody who wants Doc Martens, but then also is more into what they did when it was strictly workwear. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, leave a message in the comments and I'll go ahead and make another video for those shoes. Thanks.